Click on comment link. Click on comment link. Click on comment link. The 2025 CNIC Sailor of the Year ceremony is a prestigious event hosted by the Commander, Navy Installations Command, CNIC, to recognize the most outstanding sailors serving across Navy installations and regions worldwide. Click on comment link. Click on comment link. This annual ceremony celebrates exceptional leadership, dedication, professionalism, and mission excellence demonstrated by the Navy's top-performing sailors. These individuals represent the very best of the United States Navy, embodying the core values of honor, courage, and commitment. Click on comment link. Click on comment link. During the ceremony, finalists are honored for their hard work, achievements, and service to their commands and communities. Senior Navy leaders deliver inspiring speeches and present awards to recognize these remarkable sailors for their contributions to the mission and to the nation. Click on comment link. Click on comment link. Event details. Calendar event. 2025 CNIC Sailor of the Year Ceremony. Anchor Organization, Commander, Navy Installations Command, CNIC, United States Branch, United States Navy. Congratulations to all finalists and the winner of the 2025 CNIC Sailor of the Year Award for their outstanding service and commitment to excellence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more military ceremonies and Navy event coverage.